Have you ever noticed how many superhero powers in movies are inspired by real animals? I mean, think about Spider-Man. His powers are straight up taken from spiders. Or Batman, Ant-Man. They all draw inspiration from the animal kingdom. Now, spiders, bats, and ants are pretty well known, but our planet is home to some creatures with powers so wild, it's hard to believe they're real. Let's dive in and meet some of them. First up, we have the pistol shrimp. Don't let its small size fool you. This little guy packs a punch. And by punch, I mean it literally has a claw that can snap so fast it creates a bubble that reaches temperatures as hot as the surface of the sun. Talk about a hot temper. Imagine being able to cook your dinner just by snapping your fingers. The pistol shrimp is like the underwater version of a superhero with a built-in flamethrower. This shrimp uses its super snapping powers to stun prey and scare off predators. It's like the Clint Eastwood of the ocean going "make my day" snap. The science behind this is just as fascinating. When the pistol shrimp snaps its claw, it creates a cavitation bubble. This bubble rapidly collapses, producing a shockwave that can reach up to 218 decibels, louder than a gunshot. The process also generates a brief flash of light and temperatures around 4,800 degrees Celsius, momentarily hotter than the surface of the sun. And it's not just about hunting. Pistol shrimp are also known for their symbiotic relationships with goby fish. The shrimp provides a safe burrow for both to live in, while the goby acts as a lookout for predators. It's a classic "I'll scratch your back if you scratch mine" situation. Pistol shrimps are found in warm coastal waters around the world, including the Mediterranean Sea, the Caribbean, and the Indo-Pacific region. Despite their fierce capabilities, they are not considered endangered. However, their habitats are often affected by human activities like coastal development and pollution. What's even more fascinating is that pistol shrimp live in colonies, often constructing complex burrow systems. These burrows not only provide protection, but also help to aerate the sediment, promoting a healthier environment for other marine life. So in a way, they're like the unsung heroes of the sea, keeping the underwater ecosystem balanced. Next on our list of animal superheroes is the flatworm. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can a flatworm be exciting? Well, this little creature has some tricks up its sleeve that would make even Houdini jealous. Flatworms have the remarkable ability to regenerate. Cut one in half and you'll get two flatworms. It's like the magic trick that keeps on giving. Imagine if you could grow a new arm every time you lost one. Handy, right? But that's not all. Some species of flatworms can regenerate their entire body from just a small fragment. Scientists are studying these regenerative powers to understand how we might harness similar abilities for medical purposes. It could revolutionize how we treat injuries and diseases. Flatworms also have an unusual approach to reproduction. Many species are hermaphrodites, meaning they possess both male and female reproductive organs. During mating, they engage in a behavior known as penis fencing, where each flatworm tries to inseminate the other. The loser ends up carrying the eggs. Talk about an intense battle of the sexes. Flatworms are found in a variety of environments, from freshwater to marine and even terrestrial habitats. They are incredibly adaptable and can be found all over the world. While many species are not endangered, their populations can be sensitive to changes in their environment, such as pollution and habitat destruction. Flatworms have no specialized respiratory or circulatory systems. They rely on diffusion to move oxygen and nutrients through their bodies. Their simple yet efficient design has fascinated biologists for decades, and it's a testament to the diverse strategies life on Earth has evolved to survive. Last, but certainly not least, but before we continue, please like this video because our channel is small and new, and your likes are a huge support for us. Let's talk about the axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish. These adorable amphibians are like the X-Men of the animal kingdom. Why? Because they have the extraordinary ability to regenerate not just limbs, but also their spinal cord, heart, and even parts of their brain. Move over, Wolverine. If humans had axolotl powers, we wouldn't need hospitals. Just imagine, oops, lost a finger, no problem. It'll grow back in a few weeks. Axolotls also never grow up. They retain their juvenile features throughout their life, which is called neoteny. It's like they're forever young. Who wouldn't want that? These fascinating creatures are native to the lake complex of Xochimilco near Mexico City. Unfortunately, due to habitat loss, pollution, and invasive species, axolotls are critically endangered in the wild. However, they thrive in captivity and are often used in scientific research due to their unique regenerative abilities. And get this, they're also able to breathe through their skin thanks to their external gills. It's like having built-in scuba gear. Plus, they can regenerate their gills if they get damaged. It's no wonder they're often referred to as water monsters or Mexican salamanders. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their natural habitat and boost their wild populations. Zoos and aquariums around the world participate in breeding programs to ensure these incredible creatures don't disappear. Axolotls have also captured the imagination of many people around the world. In Mexican culture, they're linked to the Aztec god Axolotl, who was said to have transformed into an axolotl to avoid being sacrificed. This cultural significance adds another layer to their already fascinating story. These incredible animals show us that nature is full of surprises and wonders. From the pistol shrimp's fiery snap to the flatworm's magical regeneration and the axolotl's astonishing healing abilities, the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze. So next time you think about superpowers, remember that you don't need to look further than our own planet. And to those of you who stuck around until the end, I've got another video you should definitely check out. It's all about animals whose venom is literally worth more than gold. Just imagine being a creature with venom so potent that a single gram could be worth millions of dollars. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until the next video, stay curious and full of energy.